Congresswoman Ann Marie Buerkle, you've been telling your constituents that the Affordable Care Act would reduce their Medicare by $500 million and criticized those who tried to set the record straight at your town hall meeting.
Their message was inaccurate, misleading, and wrong.
That's not what your local newspaper said. In fact, the paper said it was you that was misrepresenting the facts on Medicare. Furthermore, the bill you support would not only cut Medicare, but also change it to a voucher system, leaving many elderly without sufficient coverage.
That will only affect those under age 55.
And that's good?
I gotta go.